Welcome back to Limon's Kitchen. Thank you guys for coming back to my kitchen. In this video we are preparing Palava sauce or Kontomire stew. So this is my zumi. I've melted this zumi for about 5 minutes, so I'll go ahead and add my salted Kobe. This is salted Kobe tilapia, salted tilapia. If you want video on how I prepare this salted tilapia, you can kindly check on my channel. I have video of how I prepare this salted tilapia. It tastes exactly as the one in Ghana. So after frying my Kobe for about 5 minutes, I will still use the same oil to start with my stew. So this is my sliced onion, so I'm going to fry these sliced onions for about 3 minutes. Yes, I'm going to fry these sliced onions for about 3 minutes. Then if you have any other ingredient, you add it. So after frying my sliced onion for about 3 minutes, I will go ahead and add my chopped tomato. This is fresh tomato. It has been cleaned and washed behind due to time. So I've added my chopped tomato. So I will still go ahead and add my pepper. You can add any pepper of your choice. You can add a powdered pepper, but this is my makoshito, the red and green pepper. I've mixed them together and blended. Please kindly take note, in preparing of spinach, kontomire or palava sauce, you have to make sure the pepper is a little bit hot. Yes, if not, you are going to feel some way after eating it. So this is my agushi and my eggs, 2 eggs and agushi. So I'm going to mix this together and add little salt and water. So I'm going to mix everything together, then add it to my sauce. But before that, I have some abichu, that is our eggplant. I will still add it to my stew. I want that taste in my stew. So this is my eggplant. This is called kwehunsusao abidro. So I've added small to it. After adding this one, before I will add my egusi. So I've added this one because I want the egusi and the egg to appear more in the stew. So that's why I've added this one. So I'll go ahead and find some space in the stew. Like I'll open a space where I'll put my egusi. So yeah, as you can see, I've divided into 2. So I'll put my egusi for one side and cook it for 10 good minutes, because this egusi, we have to make sure it is well cooked. If not, you are going to have some running stomach after eating it. So make sure your egusi is well cooked. Yeah, at least 10 minutes maximum is okay for your egusi. You can also cook 10 minutes or more depending. If you don't cook it well, trust me, you're going to have a running stomach. So you make sure the egusi is well cooked. So I will then add my kontomire or spinach to my sauce. So this is the spinach I'm adding. It was frozen and I've already cooked it for about 5 minutes, because this one, before you buy from the store, it has already been cooked. So I just cook it for about 5 minutes since it was frozen, in order for me to get it like what I want. So after stirring for about 5 minutes, if you have any other season, you can add it. So I'm just going to add Maggi cube. This is just spinach stew, so no need for adding more season. So I will just add Maggi cube and little salt to taste. That is it. Yeah, so this is my Maggi cube. Already the Maggi cube contains some salt, but if you check and it's okay for you, you can leave it. But if you check and the salt is not enough, you add little salt to taste. Then finally, your spinach palava sauce or kontomire is ready. You can serve this food with rice, with plantain, with yam, with any chewable food. So it is so easy to prepare. So this is my salt. I'll sprinkle little salt on it to taste, just as I said earlier. And please, I'm pleading on everyone, if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to leave comment in the comment section. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. Please kindly share to your friends to watch how I prepare my spinach. So this is my tilapia, my salted tilapia, that is Kobe. I'll add it finally. I didn't add any meat. You can also add any meat of your choice, like tuna. You can add meat, but I prefer mine this way. So this is very easy. Just under 5 minutes your food will be ready. So the spinach is ready. You can serve with plantain, and I served mine with plantain. Thank you. Bye bye.